To run a modern business today, you have to navigate a labyrinth of interconnected subscription apps, customer relationship tools, project management boards, billing platforms. Every function of a company lives behind its own distinct digital door. Maintaining access to this ecosystem is incredibly expensive. Corporations spend tens of billions of dollars every single year just to secure the rights to log into these tools. But there is a glaring irony baked into this massive expense. We pay fortunes for these software solutions, yet we are still the ones performing the labor required to operate them. This diagram illustrates the current limit. Software as a service, or SaaS, operates as isolated digital silos. The system requires a human operator in the middle to manually click buttons, type in data, and move information from one screen to the next. Google Cloud is now introducing a framework designed to automate the cross-application steps that currently stall at the human interface. They call this transition the Agentic Horizon. Modern software relies on manual effort disguised as digital interaction. It is an architecture built for human intervention, and it is now facing a transition toward machine-led execution. An agentic workflow is a system where an artificial intelligence takes over the execution. Instead of waiting for a person to trigger every individual action, the AI autonomously navigates the necessary steps to complete a complex task. Subscribing to traditional SaaS is like renting a specialized digital hammer. Utilizing an agentic workflow is like hiring an autonomous digital builder. Look at this flowchart of a standard traditional workflow. A user logs into a database, pulls out a set of metrics, formats those metrics into a presentation, and then opens an email client to send it off. These are 4 distinct steps requiring human intervention. In an agentic flow, you give a single high-level command. The central agent connects to the database, the presentation software, and the email client, and executes all of those steps on its own. Because the agent handles the navigation, human workers no longer need to spend time learning the specific layouts or user interfaces of different software tools. Agentic workflows shift the burden of execution and the value of the software directly to the machine. Supporting this autonomy requires rebuilding the underlying architecture of where software actually lives. Historically, the cloud has functioned as a passive storage unit. It holds static applications and waits for human users to log in and ask it to do something. Google Cloud is now restructuring their infrastructure to be active. They are building environments optimized specifically to host these intelligent agents, rather than human-facing apps. Within this architecture, autonomous agents interact directly with one another in the background. They organize data, resolve tasks, and trigger actions entirely without human interfaces. Google Cloud is becoming a platform that executes tasks directly, rather than just providing the space for people to perform them. This shift introduces a massive economic inversion. Once agents can operate software autonomously, it becomes logical for a business to stop purchasing individual software licenses for their human employees. This transition leads to an outcome-based economy. Companies will stop paying for access to a tool and instead prioritize the successful, automated execution of a specific task. Traditional software companies face a difficult path. If they do not rebuild their platforms to function as invisible, agentic workflows, they risk being bypassed by autonomous systems. The interface, as we know it, is fading. The screens filled with navigation bars, drop-down menus, and dashboards become unnecessary as agents take over the navigation. The requirement to take a corporate training course just to understand how to use a software platform is coming to a close. The role of the software operator is disappearing. In its place, we find a system where humans no longer work for their tools, but instead manage the digital agents that handle the work for us.